Okay, so today we are going to study the conversion of a Murray machine to a Mealy machine. First of all, let's know what is a Murray machine. The Murray machine is the one whose output depends only on the state, and Mealy machine is the one whose output depends on both the state and input symbol. So let's first understand this. Depends on the state means what? That is, every state of the machine will have a fixed, defined, known output. Okay, it will not depend on the input symbol. That is, whether it's A or B or any other incoming input symbol, the output of this state will always be 0. Okay, which is opposite to what it is in a Mealy machine. Okay, for example, I have a this thing, transition of Q0 to Q1. So with every input symbol I have a different output. Okay, suppose this thing, that is, for A I have the output as 1, and for B, for the same state, I have as an output of 0. That is, this is a Mealy machine. So this is not the case over here. Okay, so we're gonna convert a Murray machine to a Mealy machine. First of all, let's make the transition table for this. Sorry, we don't have this thing. Then Q1, Q2 and Q3. This is the present state. Okay, this is the input symbol, and obviously we have the output. Okay, input and the output. Okay, so output for Q0 is always 0, for Q1 is always 1, for Q2 is always 0, and for Q3 is always 1. And if I talk about the transit states, so for Q0 it's Q1, then Q2, you can very well see. Okay, then for Q1, if I put A, it's Q3, and if I put this B, then it's Q2. Similarly, I'll add on for Q3 and Q2. Okay, so now we are going to convert it into corresponding Mealy machine, which is very easy as compared to converting a Mealy to Murray machine, if you have watched our previous video. So we take the 4 states as it is. Okay, now we know this is the present state, this is the transition, like we'll get when I put A as input symbol, then the output, corresponding output. Okay, then B, then a corresponding output. I know that the state Q0 will always give me an output 0, that is 0. I know the Q1, as I found out earlier, or as given in the question, that Q1 will always give me an output 1. So I add on 1 1. Okay, and output always 1, and 0 0 and 1 1 correspondingly. Now, seeing from this transition table, I just have to write down and fill up this transition table. Okay, so what I'll write down, I'll see that Q0 is giving me Q1 and Q2 with the transitions of input symbols A and B respectively. Similarly, Q1 is giving me as a output as Q3 with input symbol with input symbol this thing A. Okay, and transition output as Q2 with input symbol B. So I'll write down over here. Okay, without any confusions. Okay, so that's all how we convert a given Murray machine to a Mealy machine. Now we'll make a corresponding diagram. So Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, Q0 to Q1 will give me A, 0, and Q0 to Q2 will give me B, 0. This thing will go to Q3, and then it will give me output as input symbol and then output. Okay, then this thing B and 1. Okay, then Q2 will give me Q2, A, 0 and B, 0. Then Q3 will give me Q3, 1. Oh my god, and Q3, 1. Oh yeah, then and sorry, A, B and 1. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching.